Hi, this is Natalia from IntelliCAD Technology Consortium, and today I want to review achievements of our Building Information Modeling team. A Building Information Modeling file, or BIM file, is a drawing that contains building and construction data. Currently, you can attach RVT, RFA files for Autodesk Revit, and IFC BIM files. By the way, BIM file attach is only available in 64-bit versions of IntelliCAD. I will start with attaching an RFA file using the BIM Underlay button. You can see that the BIM file attach process is the same as image attach. Let's switch to realistic mode, move the model around, and confirm that all faces and colors displayed correctly. You can do basic actions on the attached BIM Underlay, for example, move, rotate, and scale. BIM Underlays support entity snapping. There are several ways to enable snapping. First, using the USnap system variable for all underlays, or using the RVTOSnap system variable for only RVT and RFA files, or the IFCOSnap system variable for only IFC files. Also, BIM snapping options are available from the Options dialog Snapping tab. I'm turning realistic mode off to demonstrate that endpoint, nearest, and perpendicular entity snap modes work fine with BIM Underlays. Also, BIM Underlays can be exploded into IntelliCAD primitives. The 3D ASC entities contained in the BIM file will be converted into IntelliCAD meshes. All BIM entity intelligence is lost, but the geometry is converted to simple meshes and can be edited. I've attached a different Revit file and want to review it. As you can see, BIM files do not contain layers and only have standard properties for now, but you can use the BIM pane command to browse information and control content visibility. You can easily switch between selected attached BIM underlays using the drop-down list. The Categories tab is active by default. It represents all the part types this model contains, and when you turn off one category, all entities that belong to this category disappear. Let's disable the roofs category, move the model a little, and see that the roof disappears. And now I'm disabling the floors category. All floors are invisible, and you can see all the way down through the building. The second tab in the BIM pane is Hierarchy. In this tab, the whole building is separated into different levels. First floor, street level, parapet, and etc. And each level contains its different types of parts. So you can turn off the whole level or just an entity from this level. The last tab in the BIM pane is Views. You can select any view for the selected BIM underlay with a double click. To close the BIM pane, press the Close button or use the BIM pane Close command. Now I want to attach an IFC file using the BIM Attach command. The same as Revit underlays, it can be moved, rotated, and scaled. I'm using the new command Mokora to do it faster. Snapping is available too, and the content can be exploded. To control IFC underlay categories, use the same command as for Revit underlays, BIM pane. The first two tabs on the IFC project settings pane are the same as on the BIM pane, categories and hierarchy. On the Object Properties tab, you can review properties for the entity selected on the Hierarchy tab. Let's return to Revit underlay with the convertible and take it into Artisan for rendering. Now it's converting geometry from the BIM file into the Artisan model. You can see that all geometry, colors, and transparency are successfully transferred to Artisan. And now I can add some new colors, glass type, and some shine. That's all I have about building information modeling files. Please leave your comments, and thank you for watching this video.